Hello, today I'm going to provide you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of May 2024. For the second month in a row, Guelph prices have increased slightly, and with the Bank of Canada rate drop, we may see continued price growth as we head into the summer months. Let's take a look at the key month-over-month Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats relative to April of this year. In Guelph, the median sale price was $785,000, which is up by 1.5%. The average sale price per square foot was $497, which was down by 2.9%. The total number of listings was 383, which is up by 19.7%, and the total number of sales was 187, up by 8.7%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $740,000, up by 0.7%. In Waterloo, it was down by 1.1% at $800,000. And in Cambridge, the median sale price was just over $745,000, up by 0.6%. In May, Guelph's real estate market showed some interesting trends that highlight both growth and ongoing fluctuations. Home sale prices edged up by 1.5% compared to April, indicating that buyers are still willing to pay more for properties, even amidst broader market shifts. However, when we look at the same period last year, there was a 5.9% decrease in price. New listings in May reached a total of 383, which is a significant 19.7% increase from April 2024. This influx of new properties suggests that sellers are confident and eager to enter the market. Compared to last year, new listings have risen by 35.8%, showcasing an even more substantial boost in market activity. Sales in May totaled 187 homes, making an 8.7% increase from the previous month, which shows a healthy buyer interest and activity. However, there's an 8.3% decrease in sales compared to last year, indicating some yearly fluctuations in buyer activity and generally less demand. Overall, these stats tell the story of a resilient real estate market in Guelph. Home prices are steadily increasing month over month, and there's a significant influx of new listings, signaling confidence among sellers. While there are some yearly fluctuations in sales and prices, the long-term trends show growth and stability, making Guelph a very robust and attractive real estate market to both buyers and sellers. If you're considering buying, selling, or making a move this year, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.